Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to fix SnapTube not searching. When the searching bar is not working, you need to go back. Then press and hold on your SnapTube app. Then click on the word app info here. You will need to force stop this application. If you force stop an app, it may misbehave. Click on OK. Then you can click on storage and cache. Then click on clear cache. Then go back. Then here you will need to restart your phone. After restarting, you will need to click on the app again. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.